Tired of the daily grind? Feeling like your career is stuck in a hamster wheel? Fear not. Uttaranchal University's online MBA program is here to whisk you away to the land of knowledge, flexibility and fun. Imagine this, आपको घर बैठे ही मिलेंगे top-notch lectures from the industry experts. No traffic, no early mornings. But is an online MBA even legit? Yes, Uttaranchal University is approved by both NAAC and UGC. और अब अगर बात करें स्पेशलाइजेशंस की तो उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफर करता है 7 डिफरेंट स्पेशलाइजेशन. बी इट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स और मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट, यू हैव एवरीथिंग यू वांट. और अब आप सोच रहे होंगे फीस के बारे में. वेल, उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी कीप्स इट रियल. This online MBA program is super affordable, costing only ₹80,000. So now you can focus on learning and avoid stressing about student loans. The eligibility criteria is also flexible. So if you have got a bachelor's degree and the zeal to succeed in life, you are good to go. उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी की रैंकिंग और अवार्ड्स एक्सीलेंट हैं, जो कि उनकी हाई क्वालिटी एजुकेशन का एक प्रूफ है. And let's not forget the future that you deserve. Google and Amazon are their top recruiters. तो क्या आप तैयार हैं सफलता की सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ने के लिए? So don't wait any longer. Dive into your future. Head to Learning Roots website today and discover the possibilities at Uttaranchal University. Remember, the future is in your hands, and with Uttaranchal University, it's looking brighter.